Eating the right foods can transform your skin. Imagine glowing, youthful skin just by changing your diet. First up, avocados, packed with healthy fats. They keep your skin hydrated and supple. Next, berries are bursting with antioxidants. These tiny fruits fight off free radicals, helping to reduce aging signs. Don't underestimate sweet potatoes. Rich in beta-carotene, they can give your skin a warm, healthy glow. Fatty fish like salmon are game changers too. They provide omega-3s, essential for skin elasticity and hydration. How about nuts? Almonds and walnuts are excellent sources of vitamin E, protecting your skin from sun damage. Spinach is another powerhouse, loaded with vitamins and minerals that promote skin health. Green tea deserves a mention. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and irritation. And let's not forget tomatoes. They contain lycopene, which can shield your skin from UV damage. Dark chocolate, yes, it's packed with flavonoids that improve blood flow and hydration. Lastly, don't skip on citrus fruits. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Incorporate these foods into your diet for radiant skin.